Number 199, B-Boy received his pension of 10,000 pesos on April 1 and spent it for his daily needs at a strict budget of 3,000 a day. On what date will he have 4,000 left? So post this video and try to answer first. Okay, so choices, April 10, 27, 15, 20, or 12, or April 12. Okay, so we will start with April 1. We can do this manually by just subtracting 300 because the original budget is 10,000 and he spent 300 per day. But that will be time consuming if we just start with 10,000 and then subtract 300 until we get 4,000. Okay? So to make it easier, let's just use an equation for this. So let's start with 10,000 pesos and then we will subtract 300 every day. So we will let X be the number of days. The number of days that he spent 300 pesos. And then until he is left with 4,000. So the equation is 10,000 minus 300x equals 4,000 pesos. So solve the value of x, the number of days. Okay? So to solve for x, so just we need to isolate x, so subtract 10,000 to both sides. Subtract 10,000 to both sides. So cancel this. That is 0. We have negative 300x is equal to 4,000 minus 10,000. That is equal to negative 6,000. And then divide both sides by negative 300. So cancel this. That is 1. X is equal to negative over negative. That is positive. We can cancel the two zeros. 60 divided by 3. That is equal to 20. Therefore, after 20 days, the money is left for B-Boy is 4,000. So we just need to add 20 days to April 1. April 1 plus 20 days, that is equal to April 21. Since there is no April 21 in the choices, so this means April 21 at the start of April 21 or at the end of April 20. Okay? So start of April 21 and end of April 20. Okay? So therefore, the answer is April 20 because he will spend 300 on April 1 up to April 20. If we count 20 days including April 1, so that ends with April 20. So at the end of April 20 or at the start of April 21, his money is 4,000 pesos. Follow me for more content like this. Sa mga nagre-review para sa civil service exam, pwede po kayong mag-join sa aking review. Meron po tayong review para sa Math and Logic via Zoom for only 50 pesos. So ano yung mga kasama dyan sa 50 pesos? Meron tayong 10 sessions, February 10 to 19, 2025, 7 p.m. onwards. So more or less mga 2 hours po yung bawat session natin. 10 sessions po yan, 10 to 19, 7 p.m. Okay, so meron tayong GC at exclusive FB group. Meron tayong Google Forms practice test. Sessions are recorded para kapag hindi kayo naka-attend, mapapanood nyo pa. I-upload ko po yan sa exclusive FB group natin. Okay, so ang session natin, Math and Logic lang, but we'll share a reviewer on other subjects. So yung mga reviewer natin sa ibang subjects, i-upload ko po yan sa ating FB group. Yan po yung mga nasa Google Forms na practice test. So ito po yung mga example. Ito po yung mga example na Google Forms natin sa ibang subjects. So verbal ability, medyo marami na. May 13 na ako dyan. Numerical reasoning, Gen Info, Filipino, and then madadagdagan pa po yan. Okay, so bago mag-February 10 ay marami pa pong madadagdag dito na mga Google Forms. At meron din akong mga reviewer yung kumpleto. So meron akong at least 2 sets mag-a-upload ako dito ng Google Form na kumpleto, 100 plus items yon yung kumpleto. Okay, so ano pang inaantay nyo? I-DM nyo na po ako sa aking messenger RJ Enseñado. Okay, so para malinaw po ha, ang 50 pesos po ay para sa 10 sessions na. So i-divide nyo sa 10, lumalabas 5 pesos lang per session. Okay, so PM nyo lang po ako para maka-join kayo.